Hi class 6, welcome back to the maths class once again. So we are going to continue today from sum number 12 of exercise number 4.1, playing with numbers. Okay, so first one which of the sum number 12, which is saying that which of the number are prime. I have taken two numbers for example. Okay, so here what we know about the prime numbers, it is those kind of number which can be divided by itself and one only, right? So here 29 is divided by, whether it is going to divided by anything else, no. So here 29 is a prime number. But in case of 57, if we are dividing this 57 by 3, so here you also divide it. So 3 nines are 27. So we can see it can be divided by more than 2 number. So this is not a prime number. Alright. So you have to do rest of the two numbers. Now coming to the number 13. Which of the pair of numbers are co-prime numbers? Now what do we understand by co-prime numbers? Co means two number we are comparing. So these two numbers, whether we have to understand that these two numbers are prime to each other or not. Okay. So for that, what we have to do first, we have to take out the factors of 12 and 35. Okay. So for 12, what we are going to get? 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 1 are 3. Okay. So 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. Once again for 37, 1 into 5 into 7. So you can see that, is there any common factors among these two numbers? No. So yes, they are co-prime numbers or co-prime pairs. Now let's take for this one. Okay. So 27. 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9. So 27 is equals to 1 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now for 32, 16 twos are 32, 2 eights are 16, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4. So 32 is 1 into 2. How many 2s are there? 5 2s. So the answer for this will be yes, this is also a co-prime number because they don't have anything common between each other. Okay. Now coming to the number 14. Express as the sum of two odd prime numbers. Okay. So here you have to express 24 as the sum of two odd prime numbers. Now what are the odd prime numbers? Those prime numbers which cannot be divided by 2, those are odd prime numbers. Okay. So here for 24, how can we say? Let's say 11 is a odd prime number, we know that. 13 is another odd prime number, right? Both of these cannot be divided by 2. So here, if we are adding this up together, they are resulting as 24, right? So this is how we express this as the sum of, so here the sum of 13 has been added with 11 to give 24. Okay. Coming for the 84, how we are going to explain this 84? So for this, we have to take two odd prime number once again. So let's say 1 is 37, which cannot be divided by 2 once again, and they are divided by 1 and itself only. 37 and let's say 47. Okay. So here 7 twos are 14, 1 carried, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1, 8. 84. So 47 is also an odd prime number and 37 is also. So the summation of both of these odd prime number is giving the answer of 84. So this is how we do this. Now coming to the number 15, it is saying that express this number as the sum of twin primes. Okay. Now what are the twin prime numbers? Those numbers which are coming one after another and they are prime numbers. Okay. So two consecutive prime numbers are called twin prime numbers. Okay. So how we can express this as the sum of two prime numbers or one twin prime number. Okay, so here for 36 we can say that we are going to take some of the prime numbers which are coming in between 10 to 20. Okay, for that let's say we are taking 17, one, and another is 19. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 1 plus 1, 2 and 1, 3. So here these two are the twin prime number because after 17, 19 is a prime number. So they are twin to each other, and as the summation of these two, 36 is coming. So this is the answer and this is how we do it. Okay. Now coming to the last one for today, express as the sum of 3 odd prime numbers. 3 odd primes. It must be prime number, odd and 3 of the numbers. Okay. Now you don't have to find the consecutive prime numbers, but it should be 3 number and odd and prime. So here how we can add up 3 odd prime numbers to find the 49. So here let's say 7 plus 11. 7 plus 11 giving 18. 18 plus 8 plus 1, 9 and 1. So here 18 and 3. So 31 is also a prime number. So we can say that these 3 all are the odd prime number and 3 in numbers. Okay. And as the sum of these 3 numbers, 49 is coming. So this is how we do this kind of sum. So this is it for this today. And in our next class, we are going to learn something new.